Bargains galore on 64, debriefing part 2. And this is a tray that I got, and I kind of haggled a little bit on it. She wanted $2.50, and I gave her $2, and she gave me something else too that I liked. But I think this is what's funny about it. So I already cleaned up this side of the tray, which had a similar mark as that. And this is what it took. This is a sponge, just a regular sponge from the $1.25 tree, and water, and rub. Oh, the other one rubbed right out. Let's see, this one might give me a little trouble. Maybe it's just because it's just because I'm hanging on to the phone. I'm not concentrating. So I'm 64. I don't have a lot of strength. So, I'm not like really rubbing hard. But that looks a lot better. It's not perfect. The other side turned out just kind of perfect. Let me try the clean side of the sponge. And I can give a whirl with vinegar or some kind of cleaning agent. I'm just not sure if that would bother the rest of the paint. So, I'm gonna rub all the edges, because just rub the whole thing and shine it up a bit. So I'm just rubbing like this. Nothing hard. And it's just water on a sponge. Okay. Now the back side, that was something else, but that's a beautiful piece. And I think they go for about $40 on eBay. So quite a good deal. I might keep this one because I use these trays at night when I'm watching TV and eating dinner with my husband. And we each take a little tray. I have a couple. I'll show you the other ones that I've had that I got for like $1 each at a yard sale quite a while ago. So this is one of them, and this is the other. And I like that one. It's got a glass top, so it really stays cleaner. And now this is our third in the series of eating trays. I do have to work on the back side of this one because, I wrote a note to myself on the back side that says, similar vintage Florentine gilt tray, 17 inches, which is what this is, sold for $45 plus $7.38 shipping. So I'd say my $2 was well spent. Now here somebody wrote a price on it. It's like, why would you do that? So it's not rubbing off. I'm just gonna rub the rest of the tray just to get it looking nice and know that I don't have like 70-year-old dirt on my tray. See, that came off. And I don't know if I want to use the green rough side on this, but this would be a good way to try the vinegar. So this is tragic. I have no vinegar. So I'm going to go to the $1.25 tree and get some white vinegar, and that's like one of my favorite cleaners. I'm also out of baking soda other than this box that's been open in the refrigerator forever. So I need to buy some of that also. This is one I got at Dollar General. And so it's time to buy more cleaners, but I've put some of the baking soda onto a damp sponge, and now I'm going to try it. Oh, I hate that sound. Okay, so I'm trying it because getting that. It didn't take anything off. It didn't hurt the color either, but now I'm going to bring out the heavy hitting. Okay, I rinsed off the baking soda with just a little damp paper towel. I love these Viva cloth-like paper towels. They're really expensive, but I just love them, so I pay for the extra. And now I'm going to try Goo Gone, and it might take the paint off. That's what I was worried about. So I think I'll put a little on. Oh, that's a lot. And put it on the cloth, and now I may take the paint off, but I mean, I might take the paint that's supposed to be there off as well. Oh, it doesn't even look like it's working. Why did they do that? All right. Rub. Oh, nothing's gonna work. At least it's not taking the paint off. I don't know what to do. I might have to put something over it, like a label, or I don't know. Okay, so the hint here is please don't write on items you're going to sell at a garage sale, because like people have done that with books. They're like 100-year-old book, and they'll write in it, you know, $1. Okay, let's try one more time. All right, well, this tray, I mean, I'm not gonna sell it unless, you know, I die. Then my family is gonna try to sell all my shit for really cheap. Oh, look, that's some of the dirt that's coming off. Maybe it is working. Oh, look, this is all dirt that's coming off of the item, the tray. Oh, yikes. Oh, maybe it's the Goo Gone is like really picking up everything. Look at that. That's disgusting. That was in my house. Okay, then it's going in my trash. Well, that's just one item. So here we go on to item number 2. So I noticed something. I'm going to ask for comments to get your opinion. This is what the little area looked like. It's just a cabinet by the kitchen table or the dining table. And I noticed that that tray that I just bought for $2 would look nice here. I could put it on one of those stands, and that would replace the wine glasses and the wine bottle that was there. And that it's kind of like a little bit of an upgrade, because the wine bottle thing I also got, someone left it at a house that I bought. so I didn't pay anything for it. It just came with the house. Or I could set it down like a tray. Or does that look too busy? So what's your thought on it? And I like the little frogs in the books. And I don't know if you've noticed, my last name's Hammett. And so I like the John Grisham book, so I put that in there. But the other ones are by Dashiell Hammett. Isn't that clever? I like The Handmaid's Tale too. Those are just two books that I liked. But okay, so what do you think? Tray not there at all, tray laying down, or tray replacing the wine bottle and wine glass?